Welcome to this guided session on natural breathing meditation. In this video, we'll be diving into the practices of staying present in the here and now through the power of natural breath awareness. By nurturing mindfulness and tuning into our breath, we can foster relaxation, alleviate stress, and boost overall well-being. First, let's find a quiet and comfortable area where you can sit without any interruptions during this session. Shut your eyes. Take a deep breath and let your body unwind. Ready? Inhale. Exhale. Breathe in. Breathe out. As your body unwinds with the breath, bring your breathing to a normal pace and center your attention on it. Notice the natural rhythm of your inhalation and exhalation. There is no need to change or manipulate your breath in any way. Simply observe the gentle flow of air entering and leaving your body. As you keep breathing naturally, visualize each breath as a foundation that grounds you in the present moment. Connect with the breath. Sync with the rhythm of your breathing. During this exercise, you might experience your mind drifting or becoming preoccupied with thoughts. This is perfectly normal. When you become conscious of this, gently redirect your attention to the sensation of your breath. Let your breath serve as your consistent focal point, anchoring you in the present moment. Take a moment to silently reflect on how the practice of natural breathing and present moment awareness can assist you in dealing with workplace stress. Recognize the potential of this practice to provide you with clarity, concentration, and an enhanced feeling of inner tranquility. As we approach the end of this session, take a deep breath. And as you exhale, let go of any lingering tension or stress. Let your breath replenish and revitalize you. Recognize the strength of your breath and its capacity to bring you into the present moment. Thank you for joining this guided session on natural breathing meditation. Remember, you can practice natural breathing meditation even with your eyes open and also while performing your regular daily routine. Cultivate a sense of being grounded in your breath while you work, walk, or engage in conversation with others, and embrace a mindful way of living. May you experience the advantages of mindfulness and relaxation as you go about your day.